Hi all, today's topic is exponential distribution for a problem 3. The time in hour required to repair a machine is exponentially distribution with the parameter lambda equal to 1 by 2. What is the probability that repair time exists 2 hours? What is the conditional probability that repair time takes at least 10 hours given that its duration exists 9 hours? Two subdivision it is asked in the question. First we will do the first subdivision. Before going with the first subdivision, we will write what are all the parameters given in the question. So when I write it, so exponential distribution it is mentioned. So lambda it is given in the question, lambda equal to 1 by 2. So exponential distribution means what is our f of x? F of x is nothing but lambda e to the power minus lambda x, where x greater than or equal to 0. So now when I write it, it's a 1 by 2 e to the power minus lambda. So it's lambda is 1 by 2. So x by 2 x greater than or equal to 0. It is given in the question. Okay, first question, first subdivision. What is the probability? Repair time exceed 2 hours. So greater, exceed means it's greater. Greater probability of x greater than 2 it is asked in the question, so that we will do it first substitution. So greater than 2 means, greater means lower limit is 2, upper limit it follows from the question. So infinity f of x dx, f of x is 1 by 2 e to the power minus x by 2 dx. Integrate it. So 1 by 2 e to the power integration when I do e to the power minus x by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 2 to infinity. So when I substitute it, half get cancelled. So when I substitute e to the power minus infinity, 0 minus of lower limit minus minus plus. So e to the power minus 1. So e to the power minus 1 is answer. E to the power minus 1 is nothing but 0.3679. My first subdivision is answer 0.3679. Okay. So we have to do second subdivision. So conditional distribution it is asked in the question. So what is the question it is asked? Second, what is the conditional probability that repair time takes at least 10 hours given duration exit 9 hours? So that we have to write it in a probability case. So when I write it, probability of x greater than 10 given x greater than 9, it is asked in the question. So when I write it, so we can use a memoryless property also. It is that is easiest way, or opposite also we can do it. So our wish only. So memoryless property I can use when conditional given in exponential. Only in exponential I can use in this given condition and all I can use a memoryless property and we can do it. So what is the memoryless property? Check in my previous video. So memoryless property. Only it is for applicable for exponential distribution only, memoryless property. Other thing I cannot use for a conditional distribution. So memoryless property is probability of some x greater than s plus t given probability of x greater than t equal to probability of x greater than s. Okay. So now it is like this. So probability of x greater than s plus t, it can be written as s plus t. So probability of x greater than 9 plus 1 given probability of x greater than 9 when I write it, this is s, this is t, this is t. So this is t, this is s. Okay, let's change. Okay, right. This is t, this is s. Okay. So 1 plus 9. So now t get cancel. We can write it in terms of x. So it is probability of x greater than 1. So like this I can write it. So otherwise means you don't know the memory, you don't remember the memoryless property, means how we have to do probability of A given B. So like that formula you have to write. Probability of A given B you have to write. Probability of A intersection B then divided by probability of B. Okay, so both the answer you have to find it, divide it, you get the answer. Okay, so that way also it's you can do it. You don't remember the memory source property for exponential, that way only you have to do. Probability of x greater than 1. So now separate I will do probability of x greater than 1 when I do it. So integral over it's greater than 1 means 1 to infinity. So 1 by 2 f of x dx. So when I integrate it, so 1 by 2 is a constant. So e to the power minus integration e to the power minus x by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. So 1 to infinity. When I substitute minus half get cancel. E to the power minus infinity 0. Minus of lower limit minus minus plus. So plus e to the power minus 1 by 2 I'll be getting e to the power minus 1 by 2 calculate in a calculator 0.6065. So my final answer, probability of x greater than 10 given x greater than 9 is nothing but 0.6065 to complete. Thank you.